Section 1. Governor Unenrollment Steps. We encourage all Metroids to become governors, so that together we can shape Metrix Coin's future. However, in the event unenrollment is required, the steps are simple and quick. First, go to Governance menu and click Unenroll. Then, click Unenroll again to confirm. Finally, enter the passphrase, and click Done. We are now no longer a governor, and the MRX are available for transfer. Since we want to be a governor, let's quickly enroll again. Click Enroll. Enter passphrase. And we are done. As usual, the transaction is being processed for a short while. Let's go to the Governance menu. We are an active governor once again. Let's exit the wallet and open it again after several days. Section 2. Governor Rewards. Let's open the wallet. Good news, the balance has increased. It was about 19,000 MRX 3 days ago. Let's go to the Governance menu. Yes, we are still an active governor even though the wallet was not active for many days. Now, let's go to the Transaction menu. We have received 2 rewards. The rewards will be added as long as we are an active governor. Let's do a quick recap. For a new account, deposit 7,500,000 MRX plus additional 20 MRX for the transaction fee. Then enroll for governorship. Lastly, participate in voting or send active ping every 28 days. We don't have to be online 24 hours to receive rewards. What a nice feature! One more thing, always check for updates to keep the wallet at the latest version.